Hey guys, what's up? This is Vanshi back here again with another video. In this video, it's gonna be a short tutorial, nothing fancy. We're just gonna be making a fancy looking navigation bar. So you have seen this app where you have like three lines over here, and when you click that, something just draws over, right? But let's not use any widget for that. We have widgets for that, right? So let's not use any of that. We are going to be making our own widget, our own style of navigation bar. Now let's see. Okay, we are going to be looking out at this thing to do. So we're going to be working on this one, and let's get into it, shall we? Oh, I have a scaffold. A simple scaffold, nothing fancy, right? And the body is a container, which is red. So let's do one thing. We're gonna make two more classes. A class called front and a class called back. See, what we are doing here is nothing but we're just putting one thing on the top of another. So we're gonna make a back class and a front class. Front is what you'll see everywhere. Like I'll just show you. And this one, for now, we are just gonna see the front. Okay. So it should be white. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Now let's just go into editing the front one, right? So here, we're gonna center everything, and we will just have a text. It's gonna be a dummy one actually, front screen, and we'll just make it a bit bigger. Style size is around 30. Yeah, fancy. Yeah, fine. Okay, now nothing serious here. Now we need a button here. Fine. For that, we need a scaffold. For this, we need a scaffold. So what I can do here is I can remove this, or wait, I can do one thing. Instead of putting it here, you can put it here. But what I'm gonna do is, for the video purposes, I'm gonna put the button over here itself. So I'm just gonna make this thing as a column, and they have children. One of them is the text, and another one is an icon button. Icon is icons dot menu, right? On pressed, we're not gonna do anything. What happened? Oh, fine. Icon is supposed to be icon of icons dot menu and a comma here. So that should give us yes. Here it is. Now what I'm gonna do is this container, the whole container, I'm gonna unlock it. Go to center. I'm gonna add it to a new widget called safe area. So what this safe area does is it just takes in the aspect of this notch, which is on my screen right now, but you can't see that. And like any edges, curved edges and everything, it's gonna take into account of all that, and it's gonna make it over here. So you can see this button is working for now. Now we are gonna go into editing this. Right. So in case you're wondering how to put it to the side, it's very simple. What you can do is you can just wrap this with another column, and I think cross-axis alignment to start. Maybe I think cross-axis or main axis. I don't understand. I don't remember. Not size. Axis alignment is. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, you need to remove the center for that. I don't want all that, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. If you want, you can do that. So it's not an issue. I'm just gonna go into editing more of it. Now this is done. We're not gonna go much into it. The only thing which I might do is main axis alignment and do it like space evenly. it looks more even like this. Or even this is also not necessary actually. Let's just go ahead with the video. Now we are done with editing the front screen. Now we shall go and edit the back one. Now it should be a white screen. Now here what I'll do is, for differentiating, I want to put a color as let's say red. Color red. That should give us a red screen. Yeah, super. Now I can do one thing. Red off. I can do for kind of a darker or lighter one. So you just need to find that contrast. Like around 500. Yeah, this will be good actually. Or 300. This will be good. Yeah, this is better. Now what I can do is, this one is there, right? Here we can go ahead and add all our things. So I'm gonna add a column. For demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna do like text which says title 1. I'm gonna duplicate these things like around 5 times. Title 2, title 3, let's see, title 4, and title 5. Super, amazing. Now we don't need this like this. So what I can do is, this one width, I can make it like I can pass a media query of context dot size dot width. Yeah, that should take care of all that. And I can duplicate this, change this to height, and change this to height. Yeah, fine. That should take care of all the necessary stuff. Now this one I'm gonna wrap it again with the safe area, like that. And this column I think cross. I don't know why cross axis alignment is not working. Maybe it might work now because yes, it works. Yes. How it works? Can I add a padding to this? No, I can't add a padding to this. So what I can do is I can just add a padding like this and add it only to the left at around 38 pixels, like that. Amazing. That's exactly what I need. On main axis alignment, what I can do is main axis dot face evenly. It'll look good. Amazing. This is what we actually need. Now you can actually go ahead and add styles and everything, but it's not necessary. It all depends on you. The only style which I'm gonna add is like around change the size, the font size of it, and I'm gonna copy paste the whole thing. Yeah, just like this. Now you can actually go ahead and make these buttons actually for more info. I'll show you what I can wrap with the new. Oh no, flat button. Flat button. Child is the text, and this requires something called on pressed. So you can see this, it's become a button now. So instead of all this, I can just duplicate this 5 times, and that should be done. Let's see, something like this, and these should be our buttons now. Amazing. This is exactly what we need. Now comes the fun part in all of this. Now in the main, what we're doing here is taking a front and back separately, right? Now comes the fun part. So before we do that, I'm just gonna go to the front screen and change the color of this to something bright, like so. Amazing. Now is the fun part. Okay, fine. I shall remove this thing. So it comes like that, and I think I need to copy these things here, like this. Yeah, you can just drag and drop this if you didn't know that. And this one, as I told, I'm gonna put the cross-axis alignment. We'll start and start this. Left, it's 38 pixels, something like that. And front screen is, that's okay. I think now we can manage this. Like what I can do is I can just center this instead, like this. Yeah, something like that will work, but exactly not what I wanted. No, that's okay. I don't even need to center it. It's okay. You get the idea basically. So compressed is this one, right? Yeah, right. Okay. Now comes the fun part. This is where we are gonna be doing some good stuff. So what we can do is put this into a stack. Now a stack is something like a pile of books. If you didn't know that, pile of books has books like from the ground to the top, right? So here our ground thing is gonna be our back. Okay, it's gonna be children, and back is gonna be our ground widget. Our front is gonna be our top widget. Exactly like this. That's it. Basically that's it. That's exactly what you might have to do. Now here is the front part where you are gonna wrap this whatever contents you have in this front widget to with an animated position widget. I'll tell you what this is. If you don't know any widget, you can just control click on this and you can see what all parameters it takes. I'll show you how this works. Now let's say if I put left to 300 and see that. Okay, oh yeah, I need to pass in duration. Duration is compulsory. Duration I'm gonna take in seconds and put it to 3 seconds. So now let's just write this thing and let's see. Now if I put it to 300, look at that. Okay, something went wrong, I think, or maybe I should have exchanged these things. Maybe, I don't know. Let's just try it out. It's not working. I think this was right itself, but yeah guys, I'm back and I kind of saw what the error was. It was very simple. When I actually did this, right, and I just dragged and dropped this, right? So here when you just drag and drop this, it's gonna get dragged over here. It's not gonna get copied. So what you can do is hold control and then drop so that this content is gonna get copied over here. So that's okay. That's a silly mistake. Now back here again. Let's see. I'll put it to 200 and save it. Voila! Here we go. So is that. Now what you can do is you can just reduce the number of reduce the time so that it's faster, like that. So here what you can do is I think you can pass in a media query here dot of context dot size dot width. What I usually do is I usually put these into variables and then do it, but that's okay. So here what we can do is, now comes the fun part. Yeah, I've been saying this a lot of times. That's okay. Now again, so in this main app, what we'll do is we'll add a boolean value called is pressed, and we'll set that to false. so that we can know it's actually false. Right. Now to the front page, we are gonna pass in this is pressed this variable. Now here comes the concept of constructors. So if you don't know what a constructor is, we can take variables from one class to another class, and this is where it comes in. So I'm gonna declare variables. I'm just gonna make it as is, and create state, right? So here, front. We need to initialize this variable. So front, it's gonna take in a boolean value. Isa, just some random value, some random names. So this class is equal to Isa. So what happened? Class member Isa, yeah, fine. Isa. I think it is. Oh yeah, this is a keyword. I'm sorry. Now here, this false. This is pressed is being passed over here, and this is getting converted to Isa. Now it's going here as Isa, and this again we have to make it a constructor. I know it's a lot of work, but that's okay. It should not be a problem. It takes in a boolean value called Isa, and we need to make a variable, a boolean called isPressed. You can just name it whatever you want. I'm just naming it as isPressed, and this dot isPressed is equal to Isa. Now we can use this variable over here. Here isPressed. If it is true, then reduce it by this much, else keep it at 0. Okay, boolean expression must not be null. Fine. What I can do is I can just set all these to false. Sometimes it happens like this, but that's okay. Then I didn't, this false is pressed, and boolean Isa is false. Oh, I think I need to reload the app, maybe. Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. It works now. Yeah, see. Now, the main thing over here is on pressed. We need to set the state of is pressed to be the negative of whatever it was. Fine. So let's just see that how it works. Print is pressed. If it actually works or not, right? Now if we do that, and if I click on this, oh, look at that, and it's true. Here we go. Now what we can do is we can minimize this even more, and I can put it to 0.1, I guess. No, it should be an int value. So what I can do is I can make it into milliseconds, and let's say 500 milliseconds. I think that's a lot, maybe. No, it's perfect. Look at that. Smooth. It is smooth. What I can do further is duplicate these, make it top, bottom, and I think right is not necessary for now, and height by around like 8 times, maybe. I don't know. It all depends on trial and error. So let's check it out. Let's see. Oh yeah, it works. But I think it's too big, and I think it's 16 might be good. Oh, this is left. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is supposed to be 2. This is supposed to be 16. Oh no. I think I did it too much. Wait, it's dividing, right? Yeah, so it should not be big. by 2. Oh, this is what am I doing? This is width and this is height by 200. Yeah, back again. So I can by 20 maybe, something like that. Exactly, look at this. Now you have an animated navigation bar. Nice, right? Yeah, it is very nice. So another thing what you can do is you can clip this thing. I don't know, let's just hope it works with some border radius circular around like 20, and then try it out. It looks even more better. See this, right? So here also you can do this thing. It's pressed. If it is true, then border radius 20, or else, oh sorry, or else border radius of 0. Look at this. This is gonna get animated. I can make it to 30. It'll be even more better. Look at that. Right. It's as simple as that. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a nice time with this new knowledge, and have a nice day ahead. See ya.